Today we are making the one thing that can turn any bad day around and make the entire world right. That's right, you heard me, chocolate chip cookies. At least it does for me, so I'm hoping it will for you. And this is a super easy recipe that you're gonna love, and secret, it's good for you, so you're gonna love that too. You are going to need 1¼ cups of sugar. Now, I've got coconut sugar here, which is a little healthier for you than refined sugar. But you can use 3/4 cup brown sugar and 1/2 cup of white sugar. So we're gonna cream our sugars and our butters and oils together. And here's where the little healthy trick that makes it guilt-free, so you can have as many chocolate chip cookies as you want, is, so I have 1/4 cup of applesauce. I know you might be looking at me a little weird and going, Ruby, what the hell? It's applesauce, and it actually is a great butter and oil substitute in baking. It's gonna make your cookies a little just puffier, a little more cake-like, but it makes them so good, and you don't even notice that there's applesauce in it, which I absolutely love that fact. 1/4 cup of olive oil, or you can just use 1/2 cup of coconut, solid coconut oil or butter. It works just the same. Cream that all together, just mix it up. And I love the fact that you don't even need a mixer for this recipe. It's that simple. And this way you can have chocolate chip cookies whenever you want, because I mean, when do you not want a chocolate chip cookie? Like for lunch, a mid-afternoon snack, anything just to kind of brighten your day, anytime. It's all perfect that way. All right, so stir it up. So it kind of looks like this. See? That's the way you want it to look. Now we are going to take our eggs, and one at a time, just put them in there. Crack them together. You don't want a shell in there. Uh-oh, where'd it go? Now we are on the hunt for the eggshell. Oh, there it is. There it is. Come on. So your shell half works really well in order to get eggshell out, because it just happens sometimes. It's kind of like life. It just happens. So just stir it up. Recipe originally calls for them to add and mix one at a time, but I'm never that patient, and I don't notice that it makes any difference in the final product, so I just put them all in, stir it all up, get those eggs kind of beaten in there a little bit. We're almost there. Take out your day's frustration on it. Just a little bit. That's okay, it won't hurt it. Go ahead. Go on. Go on. And looky there, perfect. So it's gonna look something like that. Now is the flour. So we are going to take 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Throw that in. I like to make sure it gets mixed up first before I add the flour, so it's evenly coated. That spatula almost got away from me. Did you see it? It's got a mind of its own. Now we're gonna add 2 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Just add that, and I like to kind of mix it together slowly. So put a little bit in, stir it, put a little bit more in until you get all that flour incorporated. And as you can see, we're starting to get a dough to form. We're almost there. Here's the crazy part. We're gonna take our chocolate chips, pick whatever kind you like. I like dark chocolate, so I have dark chocolate chips here. We are gonna put a bag's worth in, put that in, and if you really wanna go crazy and go a little nuts, you can add nuts or anything else you want in them, because that's how good this cookie recipe is. So just mix that together. So we have our favorite chocolate chips all folded in. I want a chocolate chip cookie, because when you've had a bad day, like, you need a serious chocolate chip cookie to make everything all right. So I just take a big serving spoon, and I just take a heap right out onto a parchment lined cookie sheet, just like that. if you start off big, make sure you keep them all about the same size so that they bake evenly, because we don't want it to bake unevenly. These are going to be some monstrous chocolate chip cookies. Oh, I got a little carried away with that one. This is happiness. This is going to be so good when they come out. And they're going to be ooey gooey and chocolate chips. Oh, I can't wait. Another thing that I love about this recipe is I make a double batch a lot of times, but I only cook like however many I want to eat at the moment. And I freeze the rest of the dough so I can have hot chocolate chip cookies anytime I want, any day, just right there on demand. So it freezes really well too, and they bake up beautifully. One more and this pan will be ready to go in the oven. I'm super excited, super excited. You are gonna love this recipe. These cookies may be getting a lot bigger than I expected, but they are gonna be so good. Okay. I think they're ready. They're ready to go in the oven. And I've got cookie dough all over me. One of my favorite things to do. Don't tell on me, okay? You're gonna be doing the exact same thing. So these are ready to stick in a 350-degree oven for somewhere between 8 to 12 minutes, depending on how hot your oven is. So check them at 8. You can always stick them back in, let them cook a little longer if they need it. So what do you say? Come on, let's stick it in. Oh, scrumptious delight! You are gonna be so toasty and ooey gooey in my tummy soon. They are ready. My cookies were so big that it took it 15 minutes. I know, you're gonna wanna make a batch of your own, aren't you? I know, you're just sitting there going, oh, I so wish I could have one of those cookies. Oh, you can. I'll give you one. Okay, maybe 2 or 3. All right, I was taking a few moments just to bask in the scent of these chocolate chip cookies because my mouth is watering. They smell amazing. See this beautiful plate of chocolate chip cookies, and they're still warm. They've cooled perfectly, so they should be great to eat. And you just break them open. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Okay. I can't resist. Those are amazing. They are like the quintessential chocolate chip cookie. Excuse me while I have this moment with you. Yeah, my day's totally better. So much better. All I need is a big glass of milk with my cookie. You got any milk? The outside crust is perfectly crisp. It's got that crunch that you want from a cookie, but the inside is super moist and a little cake-like, but it's got this perfect cookie denseness to it. The chocolate chips just melted amazingly. My whole day is just so much better with a chocolate chip cookie. I am still salivating. You guys are gonna have to try this recipe because I know you're gonna love it and it's gonna turn your day around just like it does mine. I love you.